friends! Welcome to Dance Like the Stars with BDK. How about Dylan Efron's Samba? Wasn't that great, dancers?
Yes!
Let's see that incredible performance. Here! Wow, that was incredible! All right, dancers, are we ready to learn the steps?
Yes!
Let's go! So we start with the whisk and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go into the voltas. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! So let's go over it one more time. We start with 2 whisks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, great job. Let's go faster. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, dancers. Are we ready to do it with the music together with Dylan?
Yes!
All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Good job, dancers. All right, that was amazing, and we can't wait for next week and see what the stars do next.